everyone, welcome to my channel Sharmili, and today we are making a vlog, and this is my second vlog taking you all to an Italian and Mexican style cuisine at Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Bengaluru. This is called Ambrosia, a perfect Italian style cuisine in an open garden area. I am walking through the entry. The entrance is so vast and with lot of green trees, a lusciously maintained garden towards your walk area, and neatly paved. A perfect spot to take your family and loved ones for a date evening or for a Sunday brunch. This is a peaceful and quiet place to spend time with your family and your loved ones. I am taking you all inside the lobby. This is the entrance of Ambrosia. You can see the vast parking space and it's so clean. This is during the pandemic season and the staffs are completely safe and they serve food with mask and gloves. This is the inner lobby with a limited seating arrangements in case there is a rain or so. You can sit here. But this is an open restaurant where majority of the seating arrangements are in the garden area. You can see an artificial fountain and neatly paved pebble carpet here. You can just walk in. As you can see, the first section is under a roof and we are going to walk in straight. You can see the staffs. As I said, they wear mask and they wear the glass shield as well as the gloves while they serve food. The restaurant is completely clean and safe to come along with your family and kids during the pandemic season. Look at the vast space and they maintain a good social distancing norms as per the government. Look at the ambience. It's a Italian style furniture and lot of greenery for a calm and wonderful Sunday brunch or date nights.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sharmili, and today we have come to a restaurant called Ambrosia. It's a fine Italian cuisine in RR Nagar, Rajarajeshwari Nagar in Bengaluru. So it's my favorite spot. It is most romantic restaurant. The ambience and the same time the Italian food tastes so good here. So I have brought you all here with my vlog. Just I am with a menu list. I am going to check what I'm going to drink and have, and I'm going to show you how the food tastes here. And you would have already seen the stint of an ambience. So I'm going to show you how and what are the food that is available in the Italian restaurant here. And you will be watching this in this vlog. Thank you. So we have just started with the appetizers. I have just started with my soup. The regular tomato soup, it's called Pomodoro soup here. I'm just going to taste it. It is so creamy. I can see the texture. You can come closer here. You can see the texture. How does it look? So creamy with some breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to taste this. It's called Pomodoro soup. They have a very typical Italian food and Italian name. And in this restaurant, you also get a Mexican style food also. If you're a really great fan of Mexican food, you can try this restaurant. It's completely vegetarian. It was earlier having liquor option, but now they are not having liquor option. That is one minus point. Yes, you would have tasted a wonderful wine here if you're a wine lover, yes. But as of now, it is a disappointment. But yes, apart from this, the tomato, let me taste it. It's a punch of hot tomato. It's very fresh. I'm not getting any unwanted flavors or tasting salt flavor. It's very natural, and I can get the creaminess of the butter that is melted along with this tomato. One should definitely try this variety of tomato soup when you come to Ambrosia. first I'm going to get the cheesy corn balls. It's so nice, so crispy outside, and you can see the cheese is so nice and creamy. And they have served it not with a sauce. They have like a typical salsa here. It's so good. The cheese inside with along with some corn, and it's crispy fried, and it's not spicy. So if you are bringing your kids to this restaurant, definitely you will love this taste. Your kids will be loving this flavor. Let me tell you, this restaurant has a range of Mexican food and Italian food, and this crispy corn balls is a definite Mexican food. It has a punch of herbs, and can you please come closer? As you come, see, it just breaks, melts, and the cheese is there. It's perfect for a brunch or a Sunday evening if you come along with your family or with the loved ones here. They will definitely love this. So I am here with the crispy corn pillows. This is a crispy paneer pillows. It's so crispy, wrapped with some cottage cheese, wrapped with some thin phyllo sheets or spring roll sheets here. And here inside, close it. Inside the wrap, you can see it's a marinated cottage cheese with some herbs. So I'm going to taste this with some salsa. This is not my type, unfortunately, because it's very sweety, but the crispiness and the crunchiness is really there. If you're a spice lover, this might be a disappointment because this doesn't have the spice factor. I'm going to dip in some salsa available here. You can feel the softness of the cottage cheese, that is the paneer, and the outer crispy layer with some wonton sheets or spring roll sheets is what they have done. The cottage cheese is completely marinated with Italian herbs. That's somewhat manageable for the taste, but this would not be my favorite starter among the rest. Now this is called fungi salte. This is stir fried mushroom with butter and Italian herbs and garlic. It's sauteed with nice garlic and basil leaves. Let me taste this. They have given some spiced garlic. They have given some garlic bread as an appetizer. This is too good. This is really yummy compared to my other crispy appetizers. This is very nice. It's very soothing to your taste buds. And this is not going to definitely disappoint you if you are a mushroom lover. So you should definitely try this fungi salte, one of the very soothing and yummy dish in this restaurant. Please try this when you come here. This is called Babrasca pasta. You have a choice of pasta here. You have noci, penne, fusilli. I like fusilli style pasta today. So Babrasca pasta is nothing but a mixed sauce pasta with cheesy Italian herbs and a lot of Parmesan cheese and cheddar they have added. Along with that, they are using sun-dried tomatoes, other herbs, and rich broccoli, asparagus, and all Italian style vegetables they've added. Best is the sun-dried tomatoes and the slightest tinge of this arrabbiata and alfredo together. So if you are a lover of alfredo at the same time you wanted to taste arrabbiata, this is a perfect pasta. So I am so eager. The smell is so good. I can feel a lot of great smell of this garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes tasting. The flavor is so amazing. So I cannot wait to taste it. So I'm going to add a little bit here. So now I'm going to taste this Babraska pasta. It's too cheesy. I can get the punch of Alfredo. You can see how creamy it is. Along with Alfredo, I can also feel the Arrabbiata taste. As I said, it's a mixed sauce pasta. So the pasta tastes really, really good. So hot. I cannot call this as spicy, but it is a good taste, I would say. The punch of garlic and Italian herbs, along with the cheese and sun-dried tomatoes, whatnot, some broccoli and other zucchini and other vegetables blended all together. I can have this as a Sunday brunch, or it goes any time of the day. So it's very subtle and very smooth to your taste buds. Tastes really, really good. I couldn't quench my thirst. I couldn't stop for more because this is so good, so refreshing. I ordered a juice here. This is called Oriental Punch, and this is really good blend of strawberry, pineapple, and orange. This is a true tropical punch. And it's so oriental. I don't know why they kept it as oriental, but I feel it's so tropical. And along with the cheese, it is a game changer here, because when you are blended, your mouth is blended with all the Italian herbs, cheese, and Italian vegetables in your mouth, right? This is like a game changer altogether. The single sip, right, it brings fresh flavor to your taste buds. So you should try this. I couldn't resist this with just one sip. This is a true try when you come to this restaurant. The juice is amazing. You have a list of juice here, and again I'm just telling, earlier when I came a couple of times here to Ambrosia, I happened to taste a good solid taste of wine, but unfortunately they are not selling wine during this lockdown. So finally I'm here with the dessert of the day. There is a lot of list in the dessert with selected Italian type dessert here. But I would like to taste a good slice of tiramisu, because it's tasted with the it tastes with coffee flavor with a lot of cream. It's so smooth and with some sponge cake inside. I'm already loaded with cheese, so I don't want to load myself with a lot of dessert. So I wanted to keep it simple, at the same time yummy, with this tiramisu cake. It is a truly smooth, so creamy. The cream is so stiff, and the coffee flavor is really good. It is not so bitter at all, and it's not too sweet as well. It is the right amount. The sponge cake, along with the coffee and the cream and some chocolate, altogether is a perfect blend of this tiramisu. So if you are a coffee lover and you love tiramisu, this will definitely not disappoint you. So we are out of Ambrosia, and I had a cheesiest and yummiest Italian food today. It's really romantic place, and you know, it started drizzling today and it's so romantic, and the ambience is super cool. If you wanted to surprise your loved ones, and if it's a special occasion like anniversary or birthday, this would be a perfect place. And please keep in mind the tiramisu and other desserts taste really good, and the quantity is really huge, and lot of rain here, so I'm going to cut the video. Bye.